How to add size chart in WooCommerce. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add a size chart in WooCommerce. So first of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and from the left menu, go to WooCommerce, and from this submenu, you can explore extensions to add size chart to your store. But these are not free to use, you have to pay for these extensions, but don't worry, we can use a free plugin for this issue. From the right side, go to Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Here in the plugin library, use the search bar, type size chart or any plugin name that helps in creating a size chart. Once you get the search results, you will see multiple options. In this example, I will go with the plugin named Product Size Chart for WooCommerce by the .store team. Click on Install Now button to start the process, and once the plugin is installed, simply click on Activate. Once the plugin is activated, a new tab will appear on the screen where you can follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once the setup is complete, you can see the Manage Size Charts button on the screen. Click on that to open it to add size. It will open the Product Size Charts page, and from here you can manage all your size charts. You can add a new one, or simply click on Edit under the product title to make changes. If you scroll down a bit, you will find Size Chart section, where you can add product sizes accordingly. Once everything is set up, click on Update. And that's it. This is how you can easily add a size chart in WooCommerce. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.